How can you use the time of the year for healing? In this video, you will learn 3 different ways you can use springtime for healing. Hey, I'm Ronja from CCM, where our mission is to help people to a better life mentally and emotionally. The other day when I was walking, actually in the city, but I can see these small flowers popping up, and I can see more birds coming, and the grass start to get a bit greener, and like it's small changes that happens during spring, or actually it's kind of big changes, but it happens in small steps. You don't see everything in full spectrum if you notice it. And taking time to notice the nature and being in nature and see how it evolves during springtime is very healing, and you get very present in the moment. And when you are very present, the other emotions and thoughts just float back and kind of disappears. It still are there, but it doesn't affect you as much. And being present when you are in the now, you are more true to yourself, and you are more aligned with who you are, and also a lot calmer and happier. In Sweden, where I live, we have something that you can directly translate to spring cleaning. It's kind of a cleaning thing you do in spring. Although, the main thing with spring cleaning is that you get rid of stuff you don't need, that you have too much of, or that are broken, or that you don't use. And you also clean, really deep clean your entire place. And that is also really good for healing, because when you do that, when you take away things, you will let more light in. And stuff you have at home that you doesn't really feel good with, they probably do have some memories with them or affect your mood negatively. And when you get that out, you will feel a lot better. And also when you start to deep clean, emotions or stagnant energy will start to move around, and the whole place does feel a lot more lightly. And that's the thing with spring, the whole atmosphere outside is start to feel a lot more lightly after the winter, with more live and more things that moves. So doing that inside of your home will also help with all that lightness feeling, and you will probably heal more than you think. The next one is a meditation technique that I use during springtime. During springtime, the days get longer and longer, and the nights get shorter and shorter. And in Sweden, it's very big difference from winter to summer, and it's affect the whole people. We are a lot more alive during summer than winter, and this springtime we get more and more energy, and you can really feel that here. And that is kind of the mentality that I use in the meditation technique, because I kind of going and calm myself down, and then I start to feel like the sun is filling me up with that light, and this light will affect me most often. It will heal me, make me calm, make me energized. I choose what it do when it fills me up. So I light myself up with this sun energy, and this for me really helps during springtime, because you already have that mentality and that different feeling about the sun and about the days during springtime. So it will have a greater effect when I do this meditation on springtime than if I would do it on autumn. I have created a playlist for healing. You can check it out if you want to see more videos like this. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.